Hello and welcome back to my cooking channel, Kyerewaa's Veggie Kitchen. I would like to use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you, my subscribers and viewers. Oh, I don't know what to say. God richly bless you all. I'm so much grateful. I'm being emotional now. Okay, today I've got something special, something delicious. I will be preparing banku with okra stew. Did you hear me right? Vegan or vegetarian okra stew. And so sit back, relax, and enjoy with me. Let's get started. Our stove is on. I'll first put in my palm oil. I actually prepared palm nut soup, and I soaked in some of my palm oil for my soup yesterday, so I'm using it to prepare my okra stew. Put in onions and celery. I mostly cook with celery. Whenever I'm preparing food, I just add a little bit of celery to it because it has a special nutrient. Really love it. Now time to soak my big chunks. I usually do it by adding salt to it, and then I add my Vegeta, 1 spoon of it. Okay, and then I mix it. And then I add the tofu to it for it to get a little bit of taste, you know. So I'll leave it to rest for some time. I'll come back to it later. Let's cut our mushrooms. You can cut the size that you want. Like it in bigger sizes. Okay, we are done now, and I want to aside. Let's come back to our onions quickly to see it's frying very good. I will now add my different types of spices to it. It doesn't matter which kind of spice you have at home. Just add them to it. And then this is my Dawadawa, my fermented locust beans. I just squeeze them and then put it inside. Now add a little bit of water to rinse everything there. I left it for 2 minutes for it to fry for some time, and now I will add onion, pepper, cloves, and garlic to it. Rinse it a little bit, and I'll stir it. So I'll leave this to cook for another 5 minutes. So as my onions are boiling, I will start to cook the okra. And one thing, if you want your okra stew to taste and smell very good, you just grate a little bit of ginger to it. I will now add 1 spoon of salt, and I will leave it to boil. Now look at it. Our onions are already cooked. I'll add my tomatoes, paprika, and carrot. And I will leave this one for another 10 minutes for it to cook. So coming back to our okra, look at it. Look at how slippery is this. I'll now add my already blended okra, but this wouldn't last that long. just to have a little bit of cookedness. Okay, I'll leave it to cook for like another 2 minutes and then I'll come back to it. So I'm back to checking my salt. My salt is a little bit low, so I will take in some salt. One secret about preparing okra stew is that when you reach a point and you think that your salt is not enough, please don't add the whole salt to it. Just add a little bit of salt in water and then mix it and then put it inside. And yes, okay, 5 minutes already, and I will now put in garden eggs for it to cook together. So it's now time for me to fry my tofu and my big chunks. I've put in my oil, it's already hot. I start to put them one by one. So I now take out chunks and my tofu out. Oh, I just can't wait to taste it. So I waited for another 10 minutes and just look at that. It has reduced in size. Okay, so it's now time for me to add my different types of mushrooms to it. You know, different types of mushroom brings in different types of flavor. So any mushroom you have at home, just add them to it. Just add them, okay? Lastly, I will add my tofu and my chunks. Now you can taste it. My salt, my spices, everything is on point. So I will now add spinach to it to give it that veggie look, okay? And then I stir it. My okra stew will be done very soon. I allow it to simmer for a minute and then I add my okra to it. So it's now time to add my okra. I did not hear true. Just look at it. So we will leave it for 3 minutes for it to simmer and our okra stew will be done. So it's now time for me to prepare my banku. I already had my banku mix powder, so I added in water and I'm now doing it. So one thing my grandma taught me was that when you don't want lumps in your banku, just stir it at one direction, okay? If you are stirring it to your left side, just stir it to one direction. You don't have to be like this and then come back like this, okay? As you all can see, the banku has taken up, okay? So I will now add a little bit of water and then I cover it for it to boil for like 2 minutes. Just look at that. So I'm now mixing in the water I added. Okay, just look at that. Just look at that. No lumps. Everything is on point. Our banku will be done in about 5 minutes. So if you want it a little bit soft, then you keep on adding in water. and then continue with the process. But I just want mine in this consistency. Alright, so I will now form it. Just look at that. Now I can serve myself. In fact, if you had read it, it shouldn't come from no, but I have to say that. Okay. My most favorite part of eating okra stew is that ginger flavor. It just tastes great. So if you want to see more delicious meals, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.